Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to start with our next topic, that is exercise 6.4. Before that, you have to learn this theorem. Very important theorem, class. And there are many questions, easy questions that comes from this. This is a little easy exercise than others. So, class, the theorem is ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Means this: these are two similar triangle. If then corresponding side, suppose ABC is similar to PQR, then AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, and AC upon PR are in ratio, you all know. But now you are going to learn that if we talk about the ratio of their areas, then it will be the square of their corresponding sides. Square. So class, this we have to prove. To prove this, one construction has been made, that is this construction. Perpendicular. AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. What we know in this, we know that these two triangles are similar and we have to prove this part. So for that, area of triangle, to find out the area of triangle, this construction has been made. Now area of triangle ABC will be half BC into AM, as AM is perpendicular and BC is the base. Similarly for next, PN is the perpendicular and QR is the base. ABC and PQR, AN, AM, ABC, PQR and PN. Now in this, half and half will be cancelled. So what we got? We got this. Now what we need to do? We need to prove this AM upon PN as BC upon QR or any of the side ratio. So class, for that, what we are going to do? We are going to take this triangle and this triangle. These two triangles we can make similar, as complete triangle is given similar to complete triangle. So angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle M and angle N is 90 degree. So by AA we can say that these two triangles, this one and this one triangle, are similar triangles. If they are similar, then AB upon PQ will be equals to AM upon PN. C class. They have also used the same. Now AM upon PN is equals to AB upon PQ. But as in exercise, in theorem, it is already given ABC is similar to PQR. So AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to CA upon RP. So in place of BC, in previous here, in place of BC upon QR, we can write AB upon PQ, and we have already proved that AM upon PN is equals to AB upon PQ. So our question is solved. Finally, in place of BC upon QR, this is written. In place of AM upon PN, we can write AB upon PQ by this, and AB upon PQ by this. So finally we have got this, and this will obviously will equal to BC upon QR, will obviously will equal to CA upon RP. So finally it is proved. See this video again and again, you will understand this. Now class, a simple question. First question, it says that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Their areas be respectively this and this, and EF given BC we have to find out. So class, what's given? This. It means we know this by the theorem. If triangles are similar, then ratio of their areas is equals to the square of their corresponding sides. Now what we are going to use? We are going to use this. This is not needed, this is not needed. We know this area, we know this area. We know BC, we know EF, we have to find BC. C class. Just substitute the value and solve it. How they have solved? From here, after this step, taking root both side, it will become 8, it will become 11, and this BC square will be removed, and square will be removed from here also, and finally we will get this solution. Now class, next question. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to BC intersect each other at O. If AB is equals to twice of CD, find the ratio of the area AOB and COD. So class, here this triangle is similar to this triangle. Why? Because this is parallel to this, then this angle equal to this angle, that is angle B and D. Angle A is equals to angle C, and these are opposite angle. So by triple A, you can say that this triangle is similar to this triangle. If these two triangles are similar, then area of AOB upon area of COD will be equals to AB upon CD whole square. Why I am using this? Why I am not using AO? Why I am not using OB? Because relation what given is in AB and CD. In place of AB, I will substitute twice of CD upon CD. This CD and CD will cancel out and square. Finally, what we have got? 4:1. Same is done here class. Now this question. Question number 3. In the following figure, ABC and DBC, this and this, are two triangles on the same base BC. This is the same base BC. AD intersect BC at O, this point. Show that ABC upon DBC, AO upon DO. Now we have to prove area of this upon area of this equals to AO upon DO. So class, here this triangle we have to take and this triangle we have to take. There is nothing like similarity in these two triangles. So this question is not of the theorem which is given. Now what we are going to do, area of ABC. Here the area of ABC will be half base into height. For that we will make a construction like this and construction like this. Let it be AM, let it be DN. Area ABC will be equals to half BC into AM, half base into height, half BC into DN, because they are having the common base and answer is as such. We need not require, we want answer in which is not in square, so this and this will cancel out. Now what we need to prove, this as AO upon DO, AO upon DO. So class, what we will do, we will make these two triangles as similar triangle, and these are similar because this angle is the opposite angle, and this angle and this angle is 90 degree. This angle and this angle is 90 degree. So class, this concept has been used. You can see here 90 degree and opposite angle by A similarity AP, this upon DM is equals to AO upon DO. That's it. Another easy question. This says two, if the areas of two similar triangle are equal, then they are concurrent. If they are the similar triangle, then we have the theorem this. Now what's given? That these two are equal. It means AB upon PQ square is equals to 1, BC upon QR square is equals to 1, and AC upon PR square is equals to 1. Means AB upon PQ is equals to 1. That means AB is equals to PQ. Similarly, BC is equals to QR. Similarly, AC is equals to PR. By triple S, we can say that same they have done. By triple S, we can say that ABC is concurrent to PQR. So class, you are going to attempt till here. Rest you can try. Example you can see, and the 3-4 questions left in this exercise. You can try them, and we will complete in our next class. Till here you have to do and send me the work. That's all class.